people are leaving your website too quickly, Google Analytics can help you uncover why. Start by checking the bounce rate and average engagement time in GA4. High bounce rates or very short engagement times may signal slow load speeds, weak content, or misleading headlines. Next, review the Pages and Screens report to identify which pages users exit most often. If key pages, like landing pages or checkout pages, have high exit rates, they may need clearer messaging or stronger calls to action. Use the user path or exploration reports to see how visitors move through your site and where they drop off. Finally, analyze traffic sources. If users from certain channels leave quickly, your content may not match their expectations. By regularly reviewing these insights, you can make data-driven improvements that keep visitors engaged longer and increase conversions.